Om Shri Sai Ram. Welcome to a fresh episode of Easy DIY Art and Craft. Now, tell me, my dear friends, what is the difference between a common person and an artist? Both the people see the same things, but an artist is able to see something else in that particular object which a common man is not able to see. For example, here is Logeshwari, who is able to see that she can create some beautiful artwork using matchsticks. We all would have thought it is useful for lighting a lamp, but to make a wall decor, that a beautiful one, requires real creative and artistic skill. You all must be really eager and curious to know how this was made, so stay tuned till the end, watch it and have fun. My dear friends, don't you feel this art was truly amazing? And let me reveal to you that some of them have tried it for the first time and come up with this wonderful art creation. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and express your positive feedback through the comments below. Share it with your family and friends. Let them enjoy watching this wonderful creative talent that is there in our students. And finally, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Art is long, life is short, so don't worry, be happy. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.